You're lying to yourself and they're lying to you. Think about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Helen, also known as ARIKE. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you like the do's and don'ts of shopping for hair on AliExpress. If you've ever wanted to get a wig or wanted to just get any type of hair extensions, you've most likely tried to go on AliExpress to get it. And yeah, I'm just going to give you like kind of like a guide of how to shop on AliExpress and how to find legitimate sellers and to make sure that the things you receive are of high quality. Yeah, so I'm just here to make sure that you don't get played on AliExpress, because who's trying to get played? So let's jump right into it. So if you already know the hair vendor you're looking for, maybe that's Icy Hair, Ali Pearl, Ali Grace, Eunice Hair, they most likely already have a website. That means that you don't have to go on AliExpress if you're looking for this specific vendor. To be honest, it's probably more reliable for you to go straight to their website to try and find like the hair you're looking for. And on the website, you'd actually find that they have way more options, way more hairstyles, way more like bundle deals. They just have so much more than what you would find on AliExpress. And it is more reliable for you to search on the actual website because it's from the actual creators of the brand. You know, AliExpress can be created by anyone can really post on there. Again, you don't want to get played. So do not trust all the reviews that you see on AliExpress. Most of the views that you will find on the pages of the hair you're looking for, there's a high chance that most of them are fake. They're most likely created by the actual vendors themselves, posing to be different people. They'll give it different names, different countries, different like the different options of what they bought, and they'll most likely be like, oh, I love this hair. This hair is amazing. This is all done so that they can increase their rating to be 5-star, when in fact not that many people have actually bought the product. From personal experience, I can tell you I have seen like the same profile picture of someone with different names on different brands, basically claiming that yeah, they bought the hair and they love the hair's amazing, they're waiting to make it into a wig. Honestly, it's all fake. This has happened to one of my close friends where she was literally looking for a new vendor to buy on AliExpress and she saw her own picture with a different name on the comment section. Like, am I seeing double? Yeah, so just be aware of all the reviews you do see on the website because there's a high chance that majority is fake. A great way to catch them out is by looking at the number of orders with the number of comments, because I've literally seen a brand claim to have almost 50 orders, but then they had almost 120 comments. It doesn't make any sense. So a do when searching for hair on AliExpress is to Google the hair. Google the brand you're looking to buy for, preferably put them into YouTube. There's most likely should be hair reviews on the hair. If you don't find hair reviews on YouTube, then I will really recommend you don't buy that hair, because that means that no one has actually bought the hair. So a do for when trying to buy hair off AliExpress, I would say to put the hair into Google, preferably into YouTube, and this way you can see the hair and the person actually wearing the hair, so that you know that the review is most likely from the actual brand you're trying to look for. Yeah, so just put it into YouTube and you'd most likely find reviews. If you don't find a review of the hair brand you're looking for on AliExpress, there's a high chance that the hair is not good or the brand is fake. So make sure you keep an eye out for that, because a lot of brands do steal other pictures and they claim it's their own. Majority of brands have been reviewed. Majority of good brands anyway have been reviewed. So if you don't find the brand you find on AliExpress on YouTube, don't buy from the brand. It's literally as simple as that. No one has bought from the brand and no one finds it worthy enough to review. So yeah, avoid that brand as much as you can. However, I don't have with that point is to trust all of the reviews on YouTube. Now for this one, I'll mostly say don't trust the sponsored videos. Yeah, so I wouldn't recommend that you trust all the sponsored videos on YouTube of that particular brand. The only reason I say to try and find a video that's not sponsored is because while there are some YouTubers who will try and give you the honest opinion and give you the real tea on the vendor, some only want to get the coins. Like, some of them will not really give you an honest review. They'll most likely only share the positive aspects of the hair. They won't really tell you the negative parts. So yeah, be careful of all the sponsored videos on YouTube, because not all of them give you honest reviews. Unless that person is known for giving their brutally honest like review, don't trust exactly what the person says in the video. If the person does not directly say in the video that the video is sponsored, all you have to do is look inside the description box. Most of them will leave the direct link to the hair unit they're wearing. They'll leave a website of the brand or their social. They'll also most likely leave a coupon code that is linked to them. So that's how you'd know if like one of the videos is actually sponsored by the vendor. And whilst there are some YouTubers who give you their honest reviews on the hair, some vendors actually only sell the best hair they have to that YouTuber. So when a YouTuber does receive their hair, they may think that this is the best hair they've ever received, like their quality is amazing, no shedding, no nothing. But when we buy it, it's not looking the same. So yeah, some of the vendors only send the best quality they have to the YouTubers so that they can promote the best quality they have. So yeah, so you may now be looking at the video and the influencer may be telling you that the hair's amazing, no shedding, no nothing, the quality is amazing. But then remember that there's high chance that the vendor sent them really high quality hair and not exactly what they may send to like their regular customers. So yeah, make sure you keep an eye out for that, because some of these vendors are snaky. So I do related to that point is to look at the comments underneath the sponsored video. This is most likely gonna have like regular people and they'll give you the real tea of the hair. They'll tell you if the hair is good, if the hair is bad, the experiences with the brand. So yeah, the people in the comments will most likely give you the real tea on the hair because they are not being sponsored to comment underneath the video. Do you know what I mean? Literally what I do is whenever I will see a sponsored video and I want to know more about the brand, I literally go straight into the comments and see what other people have been saying, because they will give you the actual honest review of what their experience was like working with the vendor. But yeah, just make sure you pay attention to the comments, and I'm telling you, people will give you tea. People will give you tea. So going back to the reviews you will find on AliExpress, some of them will actually leave like their Instagram account as part of the comment so that you can now contact them to get actual information. I would like actually message the person, especially if it's like a hairdresser, saying, yeah, I have my hair brand, I used this hair for my client, they liked it, check me out on this blah 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 blah. There's no shame in just sending a quick DM saying, hi, I saw you review on blah 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 blah, I wanted to find out how the hair's still going, is the hair keeping up, how's the shedding, you know, just like questions you'd want to ask people when you want to buy new hair. Hopefully the person is nice enough to actually reply and answer you. Like, you did leave your Instagram handle inside your review, so you were asking me like to message you. I've done that a few times myself, where I left my Instagram in my review when I was actually reviewing a new brand I've never worked with or seen before, and I've actually had people message me on Instagram asking me for details on what the hair's looking like, how it's holding up, and I've always been like, there's usually, I don't know why some people won't reply, but I always try to reply as much as I can and answer the questions I can answer. If someone left their Instagram inside the review, take it, like, why not? Hopefully they'll be able to help you out with any questions you have. So another do I have when shopping on AliExpress is to read the returns policy. A lot of the brands will have returns policies on their page, so make sure you actually read it through and understand what the returns policy is like, because you never know if something's wrong with the hair, something happens and you need to end up returning the hair. You want to make sure you know what the policy is like. Some of the policies are actually crazy. They'll make you pay shipping back to China if that's where you ordered it from. Like, make sure you read the returns policy so that you know what their policies like, so that you know what you're getting into in case you do have to return the hair for any reason. Another thing I would say when looking at the vendors on AliExpress is to make sure they have over 50 to 100 transactions. You want to make sure that they have over that many, like, you know, orders, because you don't want to be the guinea pig. You don't want to be a guinea pig for a new brand. Some people don't mind it, they're ready to just like splash on money and waste money, but I'm telling you, it's just not worth it, because you may have hair that's absolutely disgusting. So yeah, make sure that the company you are about to buy from have a really good transaction rate. You want to make sure that they are selling hair. Literally. You just want to make sure that it's legit. You don't want to go buy cheap hair from a brand that has 0 orders before. You're literally now their guinea pig. Honestly, it sounds like a you problem. So the last thing I have to say for this video is, the cheaper the hair, the cheaper the quality. That's it. There's really nothing else to it. You get what you pay for, period. So if you think you're about to go buy 12A grade virgin mink human hair for anything less than 150 to 200 pounds, then you're lying to yourself and they're lying to you. Think about it.
Think about it. Think.
You know, it's just not realistic. Good quality hair is expensive. You're gonna get what you pay for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to make any more videos related to AliExpress, related to just shopping online for good hair companies, just let me know and I'll be sure to jump right on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.